Is that good teaching is about helping people to learn. You can learn things without a teacher, but you can't be a teacher without students. So teaching is less about what the teacher does and more about what the student does in order to learn something. So teaching is in service to learning. That's absolutely the most crucial thing. That shift of thinking results in a change of orientation from covering content and focusing on the teacher's activities to a kind of orientation in which the teacher functions as a catalyst for student learning. Being a catalyst for student learning implies many things. One, it means you know something about the learner, about the style of learner, about the learner's preferences, about the learner's base of knowledge, what they already know, and it also says you know something about how learning takes place. So, for example, learning builds on prior knowledge. Learning is organized, and it comes in chunks that are able to be grasped clearly. There's a certain repetitive aspect or iterative aspect to learning. Effective learning also resonates with the interests of the learner, and it's authentic to their life situation, and it helps the learners to actively construct the knowledge. So effective teaching, it's almost a trick question. It's really about, should be phrased as, what is the most effective way to help other people to learn?